Hi everyone, welcome to our product update session. Today we're excited to introduce our new upgraded foldable LED posters, LC60CF and LC60F. Let's see what makes them stand out. First, both models have the same screen size, 80-inch. That's 640mm wide and 1920mm tall, perfect for eye-catching displays. Second, you can choose from 5 different pixel pitches:
P1.25, P1.538, P1.86, P2, and P2.5. The smaller the pixel pitch, the higher the resolution. For P1.25 and P1.538. Since the pixel density is higher, we add GOB protection by default to keep the LEDs safe from knocks and bumps. Need a bigger screen? No problem. Both LC60CF and LC60F support seamless splicing. Just connect multiple posters together to make one large display. And here's a customer favorite. They both fold backward in half, making them super easy to carry and transport. What's more, you can choose packaging with a sloped flight case, which makes the transport even easier and more convenient. Worried about uneven floors when splicing? Don't be. The wheels on both models have leveling adjustment. Even if the ground isn't flat, all your posters will line up perfectly for a smooth big screen.
Now, let's talk about the key differences between LC60CF and LC60F, so you can pick the one that fits your needs best.
First, module maintenance. The LC60CF uses rear maintenance. When you need to replace a module, you need to take off the entire back cover first, then remove the module. The LC60F is different. It has front maintenance. Just use the front maintenance tool to vacuum the module off directly from the front. Quick and hassle-free. Second, cabinet design and material. The LC60CF uses one whole piece of profile sheet metal cabinet. The LC60F is made of 4 smaller die-cast aluminum cabinets, each 640 by 480 millimeters, which gives the better flatness than the LC60CF third base design. The LC60CF's base is larger and heavier for stability. The LC60F's base is sleeker, more stylish, and lighter. But don't worry, it's still just as stable as you need it to be.
So there you have it, our 2 new upgraded foldable LED posters. Whether you prefer rear or front maintenance, combined or independent posters, we've got you covered. If you have any questions or want to get a quote, just reach out to us. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.